Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to find the limit of this function where x approaches infinity. The difficulty level of this question is medium. So let's see how can we solve this. To find the limit, we can replace x by infinity, okay? Then here and here and here we have infinity, all right? And what is left is infinity over infinity, which is in indeterminate form and not acceptable. That means there should be a way to simplify this function. And to simplify this function, I'll first focus on this absolute value of x. Well, we know absolute value of x is either x itself when x is positive, or it is minus x when x is negative. And in our case here, since x approaches positive infinity, then that means x is positive, so that means absolute value of x equals x itself. That means we can replace this absolute value of x by x. And if I do that, then I can rewrite the limit as limit of x over x times square root of 1 plus 1 over x plus x when x approaches infinity. Okay, and here we have two terms in denominator. The first term has a factor of x, the second term has also a factor of x. That means I can factor x from both and rewrite this limit as limit of x over x times square root of 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, where x approaches infinity. And here you see we have x in denominator and x in numerator, so these two cancel out each other, and what is left is the limit of 1 over square root of 1 plus 1 over x plus 1, where x approaches infinite. Okay, now if I replace this x here by infinite, then we get 1 over infinity, which is 0. All right, so let me rewrite it here. We get 1 over infinity, which is 0. So I will replace this by 0, and then we get 1 over square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1 over 2, and this is the answer of this limit. So this is telling that the limit of this function is 1 over